Parkinson's disease impacts 10 million people worldwide, with about 1,600 new cases being diagnosed every day. We are looking to slow or stop the progression of the disease. Our drug discovery group, Kalpana Merchant, Donna Romero, they bring over 50 years of drug development expertise and experience together.
The unmet market need is really slowing the progression of the disease. We don't need any more drugs that simply work on your motor symptoms. And there's not a single drug that's out there that slows the progression.
There's more information in the literature on crystallography of the proteins of interest like Parkin or USP30. So once we identify those small molecules, then we synthesize a number of analogs around those compounds. Then we try to design in other properties like solubility and permeability, other things that would be required to make a drug. So the time is ripe in terms of really taking a closer look and trying to develop some drugs that are specific for these targets.
We are seeing molecules that appear to have the kind of activity we'd like to see. Of course, they need to be optimized further, but at the end of the day, it's the molecules that would make success for Vincere.
One of the biggest things that makes us unique is that we try to use technology at every step of the process, as well as the best experts in place to really address those needs.
Prior to Vincere, we invented a patented computer simulation platform that can take patient human genomics, transcriptomic data, along with everything that the world knows about the way biological systems work, and then blend that using a proprietary physics-based algorithm to simulate a virtual cell where we can see what happens with a genetic mutation and then apply drugs and see if we can bring that back to health. Doing this iteration of computer simulation with lab validation, we can focus in on just a much smaller set of compounds that are much more likely to work.
Vincere is unique in my mind because the competitive advantage that we're blessed with the software simulator, and it's also unique because of the people that are there, particularly Spring and Andy. Receiving a grant from the Michael J. Fox Foundation is significant because the affirmation that it provides. They think we have something here that is valid and worth pursuing.
I think Vincere is positioned really well because of the great market need, because of the 10 million people who are suffering from this debilitating disease. Big pharma and big biotech companies are really paying attention and are looking for in-licensing and acquisition opportunities. The most exciting aspect of what we're doing is the impact that it can have on humanity as a whole. So if we are able to come up with something that slows or stops the progression of the disease, we impact not only millions of people right now, but also millions of people who might be diagnosed with it in the future. So it's something that gives for generations to come, and that's really what's exciting to me.